So today I'm heading over to Pizza Hut because T-Mobile is giving out free crafted flats. So let's get into the video and let's check it out and let's see how these flats are. Alright, so we got 3 crafted cheese pizzas right over here, as you can see. All of them very nice. Looks quite delicious. This one is without the sauce and with pineapple. And then the last one right over here is this one. Alright, and this is what it looks like. Quite thin, as you can see. Basically like a flat. Pretty cool. Nice, tasty. So I got these 3 free from the T-Mobile app, the T-Mobile promo for the crafted flats. So check that out. Alright, so to get this offer, you just need to head over to the T-Mobile Tuesday app, and then on screen you would see free crafted flats. All you need to do is just go ahead, redeem it, scroll all the way down, and you can see the code. Or you can just press copy code and redeem. Then head on over to Pizza Hut and you would see the crafted flats. Just say build deal, and then you can choose from the selected options. So I'm gonna go with 3 cheese, and you can select your sauce, your cheese, your toppings, whatever. And just to know, you need to have a minimum $1 order. So maybe you can add 2 or 3 toppings, and then your coupon will work, and you get the pizza for free, basically. As you can see, there's also an ultimate one as well. So just select whatever you want and just select your toppings as well. And then after selecting your flats, just add it to your order, head over to your cart, scroll all the way down, and there you see promo code where you just paste in that code, hit apply, and then it will work. So my order came down from $8 to $163 because I chose 3 toppings. So that is basically it, ladies and gentlemen. And not only just crafted flats, but you can get so many things from T-Mobile Tuesday. Like every week, come here, check it out, and see for yourself the amazing deals that they have. Like, they got free Slurpees, pizzas, and sometimes even like travel perks as well. Like, 40% off rent a car and all that good stuff. Even entertainment like movies and stuff. So check that out. All right, see you guys next time.